Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to send a gift to your friends in Heartopia. So during this DC Fair event, you can send any gift to your friends. And to do that, first you just need to buy the gift wrapping paper. You can buy it from the exchange store at the DC Fair event. This one, just tap on exchange store. This one, and then just scroll down until you find this wrapping paper. It costs 50 orchids. You can get the orchids from the TC board game, and then after that just adjust the amount that you want to buy and then just tap on purchase like this. And then next let's just wrap the gift. Just open the backpack and then just use this wrapping paper and then just tap on wrap and then just choose the gift that you want to send. For now, you can send either books or music CDs like this. And then after that, just select one of them and then just tap on work like this. And then just tap on hold to continue. And then your gift will be already worked. And then to send it to your friends, just commit your friends. And then after that, just tap this icon above your friend's character. And then next, just in here to send a gift, make sure you reach friend level 3. So just leveling up your friend level on here. And then after you reach this level, just tap on this icon and your character will now be holding the adorable little war present. In here I can show this tab directly because I haven't reached this level. And okay, so that's how you can send gift to your friends during the TC Fair event in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!